Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have Sharekhan special report, Q2 of FY2025 result preview. Q2 is set for another quarter of modest earning growth for Nifty led by weak revenue growth and receding margin tailwinds. However, healthy corporate earnings outlook for 13 to 15 CAGR over the next 2 to 3 years, pivoting towards a monetary easing cycle coupled with balanced domestic macroeconomic parameters are likely to support equities. Now, we are more comfortable in large cap relative to small and mid cap space. Nifty's valuation at 22.9 times FY25 and 19.8 times FY26 earning estimates are slightly above the long period average. High conviction ideas in large cap space are TCS, Infosys, DLF, ICICI Bank, Bajaj Finserv, ICICI Lombard, SBI, Larsen & Toubro, Tata Motors, HUL, Tata Power, Sun Pharma, Mahindra & Mahindra, NTPC, PowerGrid and UltraTech Cement. High conviction ideas in mid-cap space are Bank of India, JK Lakshmi Cement, Bharat Forge, BEL, Persistent Systems, Sundaram Fasteners, Carborundum Universal, Varun Beverages, Zydus Wellness and Hudco Limited. High conviction ideas in small caps are Kirloskar Oil Engines, Radico Khaitan, DEE Development, ABDL, Arvind Smart Spaces, KEC Limited, Macrotech, Garware High Tech, Lumex Auto Technologies, ISGEC Heavy and V2 Retail.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.